What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's the Choose here from Choose to Explore, where we teach you guys how to see the world
and save $1. So we've traveled to 9 countries so far this year, and next up is Cuba for our 10th country, and we've traveled to each of these countries just using a personal item.
So we primarily use book bags or personal items for 3 different reasons. Number 1, you're very mobile. You just grab your bag and go. Number 2, you don't have to worry about baggage fees because you're just bringing in a personal item. And number 3, you don't have to worry about your bag being lost because there's no checked bag. So stay tuned, let's get into this.
So for the 6-day trip, I'm packing 8 tops, 2 dresses, 2 waterproof shorts, 3 other shorts, 1 skirt, 7 bikinis, 2 sports bras, and of course underwear. One reason why people overpack is because they never know what they're going to wear. Before I pack, I always make sure that I have an itinerary because it makes it easy to coordinate your outfits with what you're doing each day.
Now personally, I don't care about outfits. I just throw on a basic tee with some neutral shorts. But I know for a lot of people, their pictures and presentation matters a ton. So it's good to know what your plans are so you have a better idea of what you would wear to those plans and avoid packing more than you really need. Now just as important is investing in a great travel bag. Now these bags are a little bit pricey, but if you guys travel enough, it'll help you because you'll avoid those baggage fees. Now the bag that I personally use is the Wandered Hexad Axis Double Bag. Some features I love about it is the lay flat clamshell opening, built-in packing cubes. It has tons of pockets to hide and store things, and tons of other features.
So I use the Baboon to the Moon bag, and I love how they have exclusive bright colors and limited time colorways. Comes with a lifetime warranty. They come in different sizes, mini, small, and large. This one is the small, and I haven't had an issue with using it as my personal item. This bag is also easy to clean, it's weatherproof, and it also has lockable zippers, and I love all the pockets that it has. I can easily store my passport, and also there's a slot for my laptop. But one of the things that I love so much about this bag is that packing cubes fit so easily into it. And I'm team packing cubes for a number of reasons. For one, it makes it easy to organize all your things. Also, it compresses all your items so it's easy to fit a lot more into your bag. These packing cubes have a mesh lining so you can actually see what's inside of them from the outside.
So now I'm going to show you guys how I actually pack. I fold my pants in half, I fold the sides in to make a rectangle, and then I roll from the bottom all the way to the top. And this allows my pants, my shorts, and my underwear to be around the same size. And they all fit so nicely in my bag, thanks to the built-in packing cubes. So we actually made a video on how to avoid baggage fees that you can see in the top right corner or link below in the description if you guys are interested in that as well. I really love this microfiber towel from EcoPack because it's versatile and can be used in so many different scenarios. From the beach, to the pool, as a blanket, as a pillow. I use it for almost anything. And it's easily packable because when it's folded up, it's the same size as my shorts and my pants.
So one of the most versatile items that you could pack would be this Tropic Feel rain jacket. This is a must-have for every trip that we go on. It's windproof, rainproof, odor-proof, and it even packs into itself, so it hardly takes up any space in your bag.
But typically, you'll see us with this in the airport because when it's chilly on those planes, it's great to have on. And now we're gonna move on to my t-shirts. Now once again, I make a rectangle. I fold in the sleeves and the sides, then I fold it in half, flip it upside down, and then I'm gonna roll from the bottom all the way to the top till you see the collar. And this gives me that same rectangular shape. And I do the same process for the rest of my t-shirts. I'm bringing 5 total t-shirts. And as you can see, I'm a pretty basic person. All of my t-shirts are pretty neutral and light and can be worn in almost anything that I have. But because we're going out a good amount, I have to bring some button-up shirts as well. So I have 4 total button-up shirts. So even though it's a collared shirt, the process is still the same. I fold the sleeves and the sides in, fold it in half, roll it from the bottom all the way to the top so that the collar shows. And this way, the collar is not all wrinkled and messed up when I want to wear it. I want to do the least amount of ironing as I can do. And the process remains the same for the rest of the shirts. Now I'm just packing in my tank tops and all my socks. And And look at that, all my clothing items are done. And I still have so much more space in this. Another feature about this bag that I love is it has these easy access side panels, so if I have a shirt on the side that I know I'm going to wear, I can just easily take it out from here, rather than opening it in half and opening up the little packing cube.
So as you can see, this packing cube is dedicated to underwear, sports bras, and bikinis. So I'm packing 7 bikinis, folding them in half, rolling them up as tiny as they can get, and stuffing them in there. And the same goes for all the rest. The great thing about the packing cube is that it really compresses all the items and makes it fit very nicely in my bag. So in this packing cube, I'm going to be packing all of my tops. So I have 8 tops that I'm bringing on this trip, and I pretty much just fold them in half and then roll them really tightly, and they all fit pretty nicely in this packing cube. And again, I like to keep all of them pretty neutral colored so I can mix and match easily. And even though there's more space in this packing cube, I'm going to close it up because I only want to dedicate this to my tops. And it's easy for me to organize it that way. In this packing cube, I'm going to pack all of my shorts and my dresses. So again, just folding them in half and then rolling them up as best as I can and just fitting them all in. Pretty simple process. And similar to my husband, I pretty much just wear a lot of neutrals that are easy to mix and match. And that's literally all the clothes that I'm bringing for this 6-day trip.
One thing that can quickly take up space in your bag is sneakers and shoes. I personally wear one pair and take one pair in my bag. The one pair of shoes that I wear are black pair of Jordans, and it goes with just about anything. And I also have these Tropic Field Jungle sneakers. Another feature of this bag that I love is it has a dedicated laundry/sneaker pouch. So this right here is how I keep my sneakers separate from the rest of my things and not dirtying anything else. But these Tropic Field shoes are great because they pack and fold right on top of each other. It doesn't take much space at all.
And I pack my Nike sandals because they're actually the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. They're really good if you're going hiking in the water. So this is definitely on my must-pack list.
My bag also has a dedicated laptop sleeve and is cushioned, so I never have to worry about my MacBook getting messed up. And this will be great for you when you go through TSA. It's super easy to take your laptop out. It also has a dedicated spot for a passport, and I love it because of the hooks. And I use it because I have this water bottle that expands, and I just clip it right to the side of my bag because you never want to go anywhere without a water bottle, especially in the airport when water is $4 a bottle. Another great feature of this bag is that I have a separate pocket for toiletries. Now this part is completely separate from the rest of the bag, so if you put your toiletries up here, you don't have to worry about it spilling and ruining the rest of your stuff. So while I do have my wandered bag, my day bag is this crossbody that I carry around all the time. It has a lock up top, it has so many different pockets, it has a charger built in, you can wear it on your chest or on your back, and it's just an amazing bag. All my electronics fit in this bag, and I've used this bag on a bunch of budget airlines and it hasn't been a problem. In this bag I have my drone controller, my Osmo Pocket, my waterproof camera, my vlogging camera, my picture camera, my portable charger, and it all fits with a lot of space still left.
So now I'm packing toiletries, and it's great to pack in a clear bag so it's easily identifiable by TSA. All of my liquid items are 3.4 ounces or less, which is the TSA approved amount, and it's easy to pack them in the Cadence capsules as well as the Reese travel bottles since these are leak proof.
We're packed and ready to go for our 6-day trip with just a personal item.
So by wearing our heaviest items to the airport, it saves us even more space inside of our bags.
We did this using all the tips you found in this video, and I hope it'll help you on your next trip as well. If it had, please give us a big thumbs up. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on our next video.
See you there.